going on, guys? As you can see in the title and the thumbnail, you can see what we got going on today. This video right here is gonna be for my people with the low cars. I mean, even if you don't have a low car, this could be for you as well, because I know even before I lowered my car, I do have the H&R lowering springs on it, which I am gonna be doing a review on very soon, a final verdict. I did my initial review and my initial thoughts on it. Now I have my final verdict on it, and it's kind of some information that you guys need to know, so stay tuned for that. But this video here is especially for my people with low cars, but even for people with, you know, semi-low cars, or people that just want to protect their lip, because I know if you live in Cali like I do, there's some crazy roads out here, and even if you're not that low, you can still mess up your car. There's some steep driveways out there. I know before I even lowered mine, like I was telling you guys, I was already scraping. I got some pretty nice scratches up underneath there. And this, you see I got the carbon fiber. For everybody that's familiar, you would know that. I put up the video showing how to do the installation of this and all that, as well as my carbon fiber side skirts and the wing back there. Still waiting on the diffuser. Still waiting on the diffuser. So this video here is basically just gonna show you guys the best way to protect your investment. Like I said, not just if you have a lip, but even the stock one. But we're gonna get straight into the action, straight into the information. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna show you what it is that I'm using to protect this. If you guys enjoy, if you found it helpful, drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, tell me your thoughts. It helps out tremendously, each and every one of those things. It really does help out a lot. I really appreciate it. All links are down below in the description. Check it out if you want. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is what I am going to be using, and you guys might have heard about this before. I'm sure you have. I don't know if I've seen this on Instagram, or I've seen it somewhere. I think I seen a commercial of it before I seen it on Instagram or YouTube or something like that. It was probably YouTube. But this company right here, these are very dope, man. I've seen a lot of videos on this, and it's a universal skid plate. And basically, you know, it stops driveway scrapes. I'll put a little video up for you guys so you can check it out, see what it's all about.
Who will win the ultimate gliding test? The bulldozer in the asphalt or the SLIPLO? Let's go give it a try.
We placed SLIPLO on the bottom of this bulldozer's bucket and then dragged it on the roughest asphalt with 6,000 pounds of force. Look how well it glides on asphalt, like a professional ice skater. This extreme test shows the SLIPLO can withstand the toughest roads, and it would never fail.
Basically what these things are is just like real tough rubber, and you stick it on the bottom underneath right here like this, and it protects it, man. You know, whenever you go and scrape something, it scrapes this, as you guys seen in the video. And man, I've seen a lot of good reviews on these, and they work very, very good. So it's only right, man. I gotta put it on the carbon fiber lip. It would be a total injustice not to. So shout out to SLIPLO. Go follow them. There's their YouTube, all their information, and the link is down below in the description if you guys want to purchase one of these. I highly recommend it. Like I said, especially for my Chargers, SCATPACks, Hellcats, Challengers, all that, man. Beamers, any type of car, man. It's universal. A lot of cars come low, pretty low from factory nowadays. And protect your investment, people, because I've seen a lot of crazy, nasty scrapes on people's cars, and this is gonna prevent all that. So we're gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Should be pretty freaking easy, which is another good thing. You see a little picture right there of kind of how it works. But we're gonna get right into this. So basically, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this off. As you can see here, I got some of my little solution that I use. If you guys want to know what I use, go check it out down below in the description. I'm gonna just clean this off real quick, make sure everything is clean down here, so that when I put this double-sided tape SLIPLO skid plate on, it stays on. Now with this specific lip, if you guys can see underneath here, it's not all flat. You see how it's like, it's up like this. So on this part, I'm not gonna put this part on yet. I'm gonna probably have to double it up so that it comes down a little, because I'm still gonna put it on there. I want it to still be protected. I'll wait for another video to do that. On this video, I'm just gonna put it right here. Right here, it is flat right in the front, but really this is where I'm gonna need more protection. I feel like this is the part that's really gonna hit first, these little corners that stick out like that. So in a future video very, very soon, I'm gonna figure a way to like double it up a little, have it come down. That way this part's still a little bit protected if it does ever scrape. And then you can see right here, it goes in up here as well. So I'm gonna figure out a way to put these SLIPLO skid plates right here and still have some sort of protection. But for now, we're just gonna be doing this part. You see it is flat, and most lips that you get will all be flat. And of course, if you just have the stock lip, it's gonna be flat under there as well. So now that we cleaned it, they do provide a little bit of adhesive promoter. And if you guys seen my video where I did the carbon fiber inside of the car, the interior carbon fiber, double-sided overlay type things, and I made the mistake of not using adhesive promoter. I didn't really do all the research maybe I should have. And it's still on there, it's sticking fine, it's sticking pretty good, you know, I don't have any issues with it, but I'm not gonna skip any steps this time. I've done all my research, and they actually send you some adhesive promoter with the product, so that's a good thing. Like, you can't really mess up because they sent it with the product. So I appreciate that, SLIPLO, that's dope. So what we're gonna do first is we are gonna apply some of this adhesive promoter to the surface where we're gonna be putting the SLIPLO. And the good thing about these as well is they're very flexible. So you see right here, it kind of has a little curve. It's gonna be able to curve perfectly around that, and like I said, fit pretty much perfectly around this little curve. Right, so basically it's just a little sponge thing, and gonna apply some of that. Actually, I don't want to really get that on my hands, so I'm just gonna apply some of it like so. Right, I think that's good enough. So now let's check it out, figure out exactly how I'm gonna do this. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is really put it to where it's not showing in the front. I'll show you guys after I'm done, but you know, just pick a spot where it's right there where you could barely see it. Kind of looks like it's part of the lip. One. Just continue on down the line. And then once you get to a little spot, as you can see here, where you're not gonna need anymore, boom, you can see it's gonna cut off perfectly right there. You just trim it right off with some scissors, as I'll show you guys real quick. All right, got the scissors. All right, so basically, I'm gonna cut it off right here, just to start. And then, because I don't want to cut too much, you could always cut more off, but you can't put more back on. So I'm gonna do that. And you can see I have a little more sticking out over here on the edge. As you can see, we got a little bit left. So I'm just gonna cut that off with the scissors, and we'll be good to go. This stuff ain't easy to cut. It is pretty tough. Make sure you got some good scissors when you go to cut this. These are not the ideal scissors. Boom, that's good enough. Perfect. All right, boom. There you guys have it. Check it out. Protected. Protection at its finest. You guys see it? And you can see up here, you can't really notice. Can't even tell. So once again, shout out to SLIPLO, man. You guys seen all the information. Go hit them up, because hey, that was super easy. Super great investment. You want to protect your lip. You want to protect your car. Hope this helped you guys out. Stay tuned for how I figure out how to protect the little edges and all that. I'm still gonna do that as well. I'm gonna give you guys a full review once I have a little more time with it, and maybe we'll do a couple tests as well. You know, maybe we'll test it out. I don't know. We'll see. But hey, I appreciate you guys for coming through as always. All links are down below in the description. If you enjoy, if you found it helpful, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Let me know some stuff that you guys recommend. I always appreciate seeing that in the comments. Until the next time, who is Louie XIII checking out. I'm gonna see you guys very, very soon. Salute.